Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to use Binance US app. So I'll make it quick. I'm not gonna, confuse you guys with different options, but I'll be simple. At the same time, I'll give you the details on each, section and what you really have to know about. Okay, so basically the first option is if you click on the hub at the bottom, you'll see that you have the option to stake your coins. The only option that you guys might be interested in one day, when you have some more money invested in Binance US, is the stake option. If you click on it, they will show you the rewards on each coin and how much are you gonna make, what's the APY percentage, either if it's on the 21 days, or let's say 30 days, if they're gonna pay you instantly or not. So basically this is the first option. The second option is, I'm not gonna call it an option, it's just a news, either for the last 37 minutes or 1 hour, or something that you really have to look at. Okay, now when we go to the markets, the different coins right now, I have like our Solana, XRP, BNB, BTC, and Ethereum, right? So those are the coins that I care for. Just in case you wanted to buy one of those coins, so basically you have to click on the search bar, okay, and then look for, let's say you wanna trade Solana. If you guys are in the US, okay, basically you will have to use the USD coin. But just in case you guys are outside USA, you will probably have to use USDT or USDC. So basically, let me just give you, for the sake of this video, I'll click on Solana, and then I will try to buy. By the way, before I jump to this one, or this part, I want to show you, if we click or we write Sol dash, not dash, my bad, Sol slash USD or USDT, you get my point. You will see all the different options that you can trade or buy, the coin with. So this is the option that you could see. If, let's say, I click on Solana USDT, or my bad, Sol USD, I will be able to see the price on the top left corner. You will see the high and low, like what was the price within the last 24, the lowest price, and what was the highest price that Solana has hit. And you will be able to see the 24 volume, which is the volume of people who are trading. Okay, and most important, if you wanna check on the chart and see, within 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, 1 day, 1 week, whatever. The other option, which is, this is where I want you guys to focus, the most, is if you click on the buy option, you will be able to buy and sell. I will definitely do another video explaining how to buy and sell the right way, and when you want to sell, what options do you use, such as something called OCO and different options that you will have to follow in my next video. Okay, those are, if you click on the order history, you could see all the orders that I've done so far. Okay, and lastly, if we go back, you will still have your portfolio option, the section right here, and you will see what I have been using for the past few days. What I usually do is, when I when I make some money, I directly withdraw them to my bank account. So the option that you will have to do is, once you wanna start trading, is to go to the home section, my bad. Okay, and then you will have to add a payment method right here. And lastly, if you want to convert from, let's say, like $100 from USD to USDT, or I can do the same for USDT to USD, or if I wanna choose one of those coins that I have, let's say, I can definitely choose the other coin and convert it from, let's say, Solana to USD. My bad. Lastly, this is the way when you click on the transfer, you have different options to transfer coins. The first option is deposit cash, transfer from your bank account directly, and the second option is to transfer from a crypto wallet, such as a Trust Wallet or Ledger or whatever. And those are the different options that I suggest using. So those are the options in Binance US and how to use the application. I'll see you with my next video. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you with my next video.